I'm making cabbage curry today. I'm cutting it into small pieces. It's like almost like mincing. So like that. So I did like that, and I'll show the process. To make cabbage curry, add oil. I took 2 big cabbages. So this is about 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat the oil. Add about tablespoon of తాలింపు గింజలు and 4 red chilies. Break into pieces. Some hing. About a teaspoon of hing. About a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Teaspoon of turmeric. I'll add cabbage. Sprinkle salt. And mix. This has to be constantly mix it on high heat until it is cooked. I added some curry leaves and chili powder. Mix it well. Stove is still on high. I'm going to check salt. Perfect. I'll let this cook while mixing for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. It took me about 20 minutes, and curry is ready.